forget-me-not flowers. They look really beautiful in combination with other flowers. And here is a row of them. I just seeded right out in the garden without any special care. And as you can see, this row just grew fine throughout the year. I just put the whole package in this short row without any special care at all. And you can see here where they reseeded themselves next year all over the place. I actually took quite a bit of them out, but I left a few. And here is some of the seeds later on in the year. They seed all over the place, which I like, and although some people might consider them a pest, but I like the small blue flowers that grow all over the place. And they do look nice, naturalized in your flower bed with other flowers. That's where they look their best. They are typically found in cool, moist environments in meadows and along streams. They are short-lived perennials, although I don't think they withered over in my garden. They're supposed to be hardy in zones 3 to 8, and my garden is in zone 5. They're easy to grow in gardens or pots, and I didn't have a bit of trouble with them. And the name forget-me-not just implies the sentiment of being not forgotten, and they've been used a lot to symbolize true love, loyalty, and memories. Forget-me-nots, or Myosotis, are known for their small 5-petal blue flowers, and they have become associated with remembrance, true love, and enduring friendship.